welcome back. Streamit comes in 4 different versions and Flutter is one of them. So in today's video, we'll see how to set up Streamit in Android. Let's have a look. Open Android Studio and open an existing project. Wait for gradual completion. Now go to Build and select Generate Single Bundle/APK and then select APK in the existing panel and choose your favorable path in the key store path. If you don't have an existing key, then generate a new one and fill up your form accordingly, or select existing and enter the key store password and key password. Choose Release in Build variants and check both the checkboxes. Then click on Finish. It will take a bit to set up, and once it's done, click on Locate so that you can go to your Streamit Android APK. There you go, you can enjoy your app now. If you are new to this channel and want to know more about Streamit, then click on that I button. To buy Streamit and other such products, check out our link in the description. So chill it and stream it.